In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to save and copy the maps that you've created in AlignMix. So the first way is to click on Tools, and you have three options here: High Resolution Export, Save Map, and Copy Map. The High Resolution Export is something that we will talk about in a different video, but this will create high resolution PDF exports of what you see on the screen. In this video, we're going to focus on the Save Map and Copy Map. So let's start with Copy Map. If you click here on the Copy Map button, you're placing this entire image onto your computer's clipboard. And then you can open up Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or any other piece of software. And then you can paste that image into that software. And as you can see, that image matches exactly to what I had on the screen, and now it's been pasted into Microsoft Word. If you are using the AlignMix Professional trial for 2 weeks, any image export that you create will have an AlignMix watermark on it. So be aware of that. If you are using the full version, you will not have any watermarks appear anywhere. So now let's go ahead and move this away. And now let's click here on Save Map. When you click on Save Map, you are doing just that. You are saving the map that you have currently displayed on your screen. So I'll just name it Save Map, put it on my desktop, and click on Save. To view that file, let's simply minimize here, and we can open up that image file that we've just created. And right away, you can see that same image is now saved as a PNG file, an image file. And this will save any view that you have currently displayed on your screen. So let's go back to that AlignMix file and do this export one more time. So this time, I'm going to zoom into the Florida area, and you can see we've got account icons and territory labels displayed, and also sales rep icons. This time I'm going to click Save Map, and I will call this export Florida and click Save. So now let's minimize AlignMix. We can close out of this image, and we can open up the Florida image we've just created. And right away you can see that it's just showing you the Florida area that I have zoomed into. So the Save and Copy Map will save and copy whatever you have displayed on your screen at that time. And there you have it. You've just learned how to save and copy your maps in AlignMix.